Hello, my name is Todd Morrison. I've worked with roadway safety for over 25 years at the Kentucky DOT and the University of Kentucky. I am pleased to work with the Florida LTAP in presenting a workshop on low-cost safety improvements. In this workshop, we will cover what you and your agency can do to have a direct impact on reducing roadway fatalities and injuries. This is a very important topic. According to Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, there were 3,135 fatalities from all crashes in 2018. Over 8 lives lost per day. We will discuss how to identify road safety issues and implement low-cost safety countermeasures for roadways, intersections, and all road users. You will be given numerous actionable items that will make your road network safer. This class will be a fun combination of lecture, discussion, and group activities. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop.